Hello guys, it's Nabil here. In this video I will show you how you can install Checkra1n Jailbreak on iOS 14.5 running devices. As you know, iOS 14.5 version was released few days ago. Checkra1n version 0.12.2 wasn't supporting the iOS 14.5, so Checkra1n team has also updated their application. If I go to the Checkra1n Jailbreak official website, they have clearly stated Checkra1n Jailbreak supports iPhone 5s till the iPhone X, and it supports iOS firmwares from iOS 12 to the latest iOS firmware, which is currently iOS 14.5. If I scroll down, here you can see the latest version is Checkra1n 0.12.3. It is just released. If I scroll down, here you can see all the highlighted changes in this new Checkra1n version. The first one is it supports iOS 14.5 on the devices iPhone 5s till the iPhone 10. The second highlighted change is preliminary support for M1 Mac. You can read about it. I will put the link in the description so you can read all the details about this new version. The third change is they have added a command force revert. This is for sometimes you are not able to find the Checkra1n application in your device, but you have to rootfs your device. In that case, so you can use this command from now on to restore rootfs your device even if the Checkra1n application isn't showing up in your device. Moreover, the included pin bag has been updated and thinned as well. Below that you can see all the bug fixes that were present in the previous version but are fixed in this new version. You can read all the details. I will put the link in the description. Now if I go to the releases page, so let's click on the get the beta now. Click on the see all releases. It will take you to the page from where you can download other applications. This tutorial is about downloading Checkra1n for Windows Jailbreak. As you can see, the official Checkra1n Jailbreak is only available for the Mac operating system and the Linux operating system. Therefore, we have to use the third-party applications to install Checkra1n for Windows Jailbreak in our iPhone. A huge thanks to the JustATech. We do not need to download anything from this page. Go to the Google and search for this Checkra1n Windows Tech Acrobat. Open the first link in the Google search. This guide is also updated. On this page, scroll down where all the steps are mentioned, and in the first step, click on this link, download the package file. Click on it. Here you need to wait just 5 seconds and then click on the skip button. It will show you the download link to the Mediafire website. As you can see here, click on this blue download button and the Checkra1n package for the Windows Jailbreak will start downloading. I already have downloaded all the required files, so I do not need to download it again. Here are my downloaded files. This Checkra1n for Windows Jailbreak package includes the Checkra1n for Windows as well as the Rufus tool to make your USB bootable. Double click on the Rufus tool. Insert a USB in your computer. Only a small space is required. You can even use the 4 gigs of USB. Open the Rufus tool and it will recognize your USB. As you can see, it's just got my USB there. Then click on the select button and select the Checkra1n Windows Jailbreak ISO file. After you have selected the ISO file, then you do not need to change anything else. Just click on the start button. This process to make Checkra1n Windows bootable USB won't take long. As you can see, the bootable process is done. Now just close the Rufus tool and behind Windows. Then go to the start button, click here. Click on the power button. Then click on the restart. Now before you click on the restart button, you must know the functional key for your computer to enter into the boot manager settings or BIOS settings. For my computer, I need to press the F2 key to enter in the boot menu. If you don't know your keys, you can try with F2 key, F9, F10 or F12 keys. Or you can search on the Google which functional key is used to enter into the boot menu in your computer. Once your computer restart, you have to enter into the boot menu so you can set the attached USB as a priority device to boot from. Just click on the restart button. Here I am pressing the F2 key, it's stating please wait. It's entering into the BIOS setting. As I am into the BIOS setting, now use the arrow keys to navigate to the boot menu. Here you can see the attached USB named SanDisk is at the first place. Now remember that if you want to boot your system from the attached USB, you have to place that USB at the top spot. You can use the shortcut keys mentioned below in the screen to move the attached USB at the first place if it isn't there. As you can see, my attached USB at the first place, I do not need to change anything. Just navigate to the exit tab. First option, exit saving changes will be selected. Just press the enter button. Again press the enter button on the yes. As you can see, it's loading. It will take just a little bit of time and you will see the Checkra1n Jailbreak file on your computer screen. As you can see, Checkra1n Jailbreak utility is pop up on my computer screen. Let me just zoom in so you can see the version. It's 0.12.3, the latest Checkra1n version. Now you need to attach your device with the computer on which you want to install the Checkra1n Windows Jailbreak. Once you attach your device with the computer, you will see it will recognize your device at top. As you can see, I just attached my device and it immediately recognized it iPhone 7 running on iOS 14.5. After you have connected your device, you will see a pop-up trust this computer on your device. Just tap on the trust. Now carefully here guys. As you can see guys, I am using iPhone 7 and it's running iOS 14.5. In case you are watching this video later when you are on the iOS 14.5.1 or 2 or any higher version, or currently you are using any device with the A11 chip, there are important things you need to select before you can proceed further. I just show you that. Go into the options. Now as I mentioned earlier, if you are on any higher version than iOS 14.5, you need to check the first option, allow untested iOS versions. Apart from that, if you are using any A11 device, first you need to disable all the security checks on your device. You have to disable passcode or touch ID or face ID. After that, you need to check this skip A11 BRP check option. And remember that you have to disable all the security check first, then select it. After checking this option, if you are jailbroken, remember that you won't be able to set the passcode on your device. After you have selected the required options, if you fall into any of these cases, select the back option and hit enter. It will take you back to the main Checkra1n screen. Now just hit the start and your device will start entering into the recovery mode. After it enters into the recovery mode, then we will put it into the DFU mode. As you can see, my device is in the recovery mode now. Just hit the next on your computer screen. All the steps to put your device into the DFU mode will be present on your computer screen. You have to do this quickly as you hit the start button. Let me just click on the start button. For my device, I need to just press the power and volume down button simultaneously first. I will leave the power button after 4 seconds and keep holding the volume down button. My device will enter into the DFU mode. You will see all the progress on your computer and on your device. As you can see, it's stating booting. Now my device will boot and you will see the progress on your device's screen. Once the process is done, you will see all done on your computer screen. As you can see at the back, The Checkra1n jailbreak through Windows computer is successfully installed on my device, and my device is boot up as well. I will just go to the home screen. Remember that Checkra1n jailbreak takes just a little while, like 5 to 6 seconds to show up on your device's home screen. So do not panic if you don't see right after you go to the home screen. As you can see, now Checkra1n jailbreak is showing on my device. Open the Checkra1n utility, tap on the Cydia and then tap on the install Cydia. Cydia will start installing on your device. Now it's downloading the base system. After that it will install the Cydia. As you can see guys, Cydia is successfully installed on my device. Open the Cydia, go to the sources, and it's recommended that before doing anything on your Cydia, you upgrade the essential packages. Go to the sources. There you will see a pop-up stating essential upgrade. Tap on the upgrade essential on the pop-up and all the essentials will be upgraded on your device. Just tap on return to Cydia. Now go to the search section. From here you can search any tweaks you want to download. I will put a link in this video description to these Cydia tweaks. The tweaks are mentioned with their repos, so you can easily add the repos and install the tweaks you want. This is how to install Checkra1n for Windows Jailbreak on the latest iOS 14.5 device using the Checkra1n 0.12.3 version. If you have enjoyed this video guys, thumbs up this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more iOS related videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.